everyone, it's Stephanie aka Surimuchan. Just a few things before the video starts. This video is over a decade old. It was made using old equipment and old software. That being said, please forgive the lower quality video and audio. Though some videos may have slight lighting, color, or volume adjustments, they have been uploaded largely unaltered. If you notice a difference between the tutorial instructions and the dance cover, please follow the instructions. I would often fix mistakes when I wrote out the tutorials. The following tutorial video is mirrored. The wristband is on my right wrist. Please follow the video exactly as you see it to achieve the correct outcome. Before you start, please remember to stretch thoroughly, wear comfortable clothing and footwear, and have a water bottle and towel nearby.
Move your arms slightly away from your sides, then bring your right knee up and in twice as you tap it with your left hand. Then do the same with your left knee and right hand. Bring your left foot down and move both arms to the left, then swing your arms to the right as you hop on your right foot and bring your left foot up and back. Swing your arms to the left as you bring your left foot down and your right foot up. Switch back to the previous position, then bring your left foot down and your right foot up as you swing your arms over to the left and up. Bring your right foot down and your left foot up as you swing your arms to the right, then bring your left foot down and your right foot up as you swing your arms to the left. Bring your right foot down and your left foot up again as you swing your arms to the right, then bring your left foot down over to the left and bend your knees in a bit as you lower your arms. Straighten your legs as you turn slightly to the right, bring the toes of your right foot up, extend your left arm down and to the left, and bend your right elbow to bring your right hand up with your palm facing out. Bend your knees inward again as you bring your fists in near your chest, then repeat the previous move in the opposite direction. Bend your knees and lean down, then spin your arms in front of you for 2 counts as you stand back up. Bring your feet back together in small steps as you shake your head a bit and swing your arms out and up, then in and down so that your right arm crosses over your left arm. Keeping your arms crossed, bend your elbows and extend your index fingers. Shake your hips to the right as you tilt your head to the right and move your arms to the right, then do the same to the left, then once again to the right. Step over to the right with your right foot and bend your left elbow to bring your fist up near your head as you move your right arm back, then step in place on your left foot as you switch the positions of your arms, but keep your left elbow bent. Look to the right as you switch the positions of your arms again, but step in place on your right foot twice and move your left arm up twice. Repeat all of these moves in the opposite direction. Swing your arms back as you step in place on your right foot, step behind your right foot with your left foot, then step over to the right with your right foot. Swing your arms forward and hop in place as you clap once, then repeat these moves in the opposite direction. Plant your right foot over to the right as you swing your left arm up, bending your elbow, and swing your right arm back as you look to the right. Step in place on your left foot as you repeat these movements in the opposite direction. Now bend your elbows in 90-degree angles with your left arm up and your right arm down. Bring your right arm up with your elbow still bent and turn your left arm so that your arm is pointing forward instead of down as you bend your wrists. Bring your left arm up slightly, then shake your hands outward twice. Bring your feet together in small steps as you turn to the left until you are facing the camera again, while turning your hands in small circles on either side of your head, keeping your index fingers extended. Extend both arms up and out slightly, then shake your hips, move your arms, and tilt your head to the right, left, and right. Put both hands flat on top of your head, then move your arms out to either side, keeping your hands flat. Lower your arms so that your elbows are slightly bent and your hands are pointing inward. Turn your hands so that your fingers are pointing outward. Now turn your hands inward as you turn your heels out, then turn your hands back out and your heels back in before turning your hands in and your heels out again. Hop slightly to bring your feet back together, then repeat all of these movements. Jump slightly to separate your feet, then spin your arms in 2 clockwise circles and end with your right arm up further with your palm facing up, and your left arm down further, palm facing down as you lean to the right. Bend your knees as you move your right arm up a bit and your left arm down a bit, then lean back down before bending your knees and moving your arms again. Repeat this move in the opposite direction. Repeat section 1 of part 4. With your arms near your sides, bend your right knee to the right. Move your arms up so that they extend straight out to either side as you bend your left knee to the left, then bend your right knee to the right as you move your arms up further. Bend your left knee to the left as you bend your elbows to bring your hands behind your head. Bend your right knee to the right as you lean to the left, then repeat this in the opposite direction, then again in the opposite direction, then once again in the opposite direction. Turn your upper body to the left, moving your arms to the left as well, then spin to the right on your right foot until you are facing the camera again. Repeat part 3, but end by jumping slightly to bring your feet apart and lowering your arms. Repeat part 3 again. End by lowering your arms and bowing as you take a few small steps backwards.